So one key factor that OEMs can do to collaborate across the value chain is to design for circularity. When you're thinking about designing a new product like an HVAC system, you want to make sure that when copper goes in, it's modular and designed in a way that it's easily repairable. That way, if a copper product does break down or copper components need to be replaced, it's easier to get those products out and put in new ones. Another way is potentially material labeling. So a lot of companies have ways to label their products. That way, as products come to the end of life, they can identify different alloys that may need to go in different separate recycling streams. And, that supplier and recycler partnerships. So working together across the value chain and bringing all those partners together will really help, once all of those end-of-life products come out of that urban mine to be put back, recycled, and then developed into new products. Sourcing recycled copper supports both sustainability and supply chain resilience for OEMs by significantly lowering environmental impact, by reducing energy use and emissions compared to a lot of primary production. But that recycling, still maintains copper's full performance characteristics. At this time, it strengthens supply chain stability by offering a more reliable, regional, accessible source of material. One of these misconceptions is that copper is scarce or running low, right? In reality, copper is abundant and widely distributed globally, and we are working to secure those value chains, both in the US and across the globe. Another misconception is that copper production is always environmentally harmful. While mining has impacts, especially legacy ones, modern mines are increasingly using cleaner technologies, and copper's role in enabling clean energy and electrification far outweigh, its footprint, especially when recycled copper is used.